First thing that we need to do when we start building exterior visualization is to add lighting. When we have good lighting, we have good 3D models and good textures. I have here a finished scene that I did for one of my clients, and now it's finished, but I'm gonna overrate it and make it only white. But first I'm gonna explain here what we will do in this tutorial, like 1 minute length, that do not waste your time if you're watching correct tutorial or not. We will have one HDR here and one tone moped JPEG format. This control the lighting on the scene, and this one control lighting on the sky. This value should not be more than 1. Both of them cannot. If they are more than 1, the render will not look good. For example, if you need more lighting, you can play with color management and you go to exposure here and you add more, you do less. This is the correct way. Also with gamma. And this is for the background here. For example, when we do only this kind of stuff, the sky is too bright and we want to have more, more control in our scene. We can use this setup and it works perfectly. I'm gonna show it you here, like this one. This is one tone moped JPEG and this is one HDR. If you use this, you will have amazing lighting. Now let's continue with our tutorial. We will be using this HDR from AmbienceCG, the 12K version, and we will use this 4K version from PolyHaven in HDR format. Also, you can get this add-on from PolyHaven. Is integrated in Blender and is for fast building scene, that you can build a scene very fast with more than 2000 assets. Do not wasting your time like scrolling around. And we have here 10 on-clip HDR skies that are pretty great. Also, it's worth it like for $10 if you want. Now, I'm gonna start creating this setup and explaining step by step. We add a background color. We add a environment texture. We add mapping and texture coordination. We add here the HDR from PolyHaven, the 4K version. Now what we need to do is, for example, the scene now is finished, but we're gonna make it like from the start. I'm just gonna create here, I don't know, no material, like something like this. We don't have nothing, but just to override the scene, do not have any texture. Now our scene is completely white. This is what we do when we start in the beginning, like when we have nothing. And now, for example, what we prefer is to use lighting, like for example this part of the house to be like black and this one to be white, to create contrast. Is more better and the render look amazing. Here I have the final result. As you can see, if we create contrast, the scene will look amazing. Here the HDR is like, how to say, sunset vibe. And now we will add the sky, because we want to control the sky, how bright it is. Now what we do, we add another background, and now we mix it. Mix shadow here. We find our $12K tone moped. And now if we make it 0, it has no effect because we haven't add light path. Light path is like it gives us control. For example, this is what look in camera, shadow, diffuse, glossy, all kinds of stuff to have more control in our scene. We will use this camera ray now here, and now if we make it 0, it works perfectly. But now we finish it here and we remove here. All right, for example, now I've been using AGX at color management. For example, the background strength should not be more than 1, never, in any scene, because you can play with exposure. You can make it more light and you can make it more dark. Here we use like false color to see if we have enough lighting. For example, when we have green here, it said that is good, but if we make it like red, is like a lot of white and we need to lower it. We make it like something like green, like this. I think it's good here. It shows that now is like kind of perfect. Also the gamma you can use a bit to create a bit more contrast. Prefer contrast because it makes the scene kind of more good. Now I kind of think that sky here is a lot bright, and we just lower the strength here at tone mode like 0.7, and we rotate it to find I think this kind of cloud here look good. And for example, if we go here, the reflection are made not from the sky. I mean, tone moped. We need to use this one to control our reflection here. And we just need to add another mix shader here to add glossy ray here, and just connect this one here. And now it is good, because let me show it you like here. If I make this one 0 here, we don't have the reflection. And also we can see that the sky is in both black. We just deleted this cube. Feel like we need to add a bit more here. It's kind of good here. As you can see now, it looks amazing. If you liked this video, this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. Also, you can support me at my Patreon page. Link will be in the description. Bye.